Undertaking a renovation project can be both a daunting but equally rewarding and satisfying experience. It's the willingness to see a space reach its highest potential that keeps you going. It's the resilience behind transforming a home that keeps you inspired. This kind of project will teach you life lessons, if not remind you. It will test you, it will challenge you, but once your entire home is complete, there's that huge smile, that sigh of relief, the satisfaction, the comfort you feel, and the pride you soak in. It makes it all so worth it. This was my very first renovation, and the home is very personal because 1, it's a charming 70-plus-year-old home, and 2, it previously belonged to my grandma. So it was very important for me to honor her, to keep her charisma, and carefully elevate the house without losing its charm or personality. I wanted to elevate the simple moments of everyday living. The home itself is a one-bed flat with very strong bonds. As an interior stylist, my personal brief was to keep the home simple, stylish, and warm by firstly addressing the damage sustained as a result of wear and tear, and secondly by playing around with natural elements and neutral tones. I don't think I had a specific design style in mind, but we could say it's along the lines of transitional organic, with a sprinkle of mid-century modern and some Parisian vibe. So as you walk in, you walk straight into this beautiful balcony. It's the main entry into the home and the first glimpse you get of the home. Therefore, it needed to be clutter-free and visually appealing. I decided to do away with the original flooring that was red oxide and replace it with a pale sagey grey floor which still has a gloss finish, especially designed for interior use on floors constructed of concrete. It's durable and pocket-friendly. The floor contrasts and beautifully complements the soft light grey walls, which have also been used throughout the house. I introduced natural elements by layering the floor with a traditional Swahili straw mat and anchored it with this stunning door that I designed alongside a very creative steel worker. Adding the symmetry of the twin swing chairs makes for a beautiful and organized space, which really sets the mood for the entire home's experience. Right off the balcony is the living room, where natural light floods the space due to its oversized window. The room is light and airy, and this is very important because it is going to serve as a multifunctional room, serving as a living room, dining room, and potentially a working space. Visually, you're drawn to the grains and the patterns of the floor against the soft light grey walls. I wanted wood flooring, but our budget informed the decision to go with wood vinyl flooring, also known as mkeka in Kenya, which magnificently resembles and somewhat feels like oak wood. We also replaced the old curtain boxes with these sleek, simple black rods and had drapery all the way from the ceiling to the floor, making the windows appear even larger. We also added this light fixture that provides a major focal point and unites the entire room. There are different elements to this project, but a striking one and a much celebrated one would have to be the formation of the arches. I replaced the existing doors with arches to add some charm, character, and create an illusion of space and ease of movement across the living room and the kitchen. The arches also add for architectural interest. We then walk into another light and breezy room, the kitchen, my favorite. So much thought was put into the design of this kitchen, and we spent a lot of time on the design details. What looked like an empty space and challenging layout was actually the most suitable canvas to design a both practical and pretty kitchen. As we know, the kitchen is the heart of the home, and this one is no exception. It's where we've gathered, unpacked the day, store our foodies, and take the most random selfies, obviously cook up a storm every now and again. The extended arches gave us more space, and the natural light streams into the kitchen beautifully. We picked a very tranquil light grey MDF for the cabinetry, and the irregularities of the backsplash tile complements the gentle veining of the Formica countertop. All the appliances are by Vaughan, a Kenyan brand. I picked Vaughan because I wanted bold and black to draw attention and to break the monotony of the light interiors. The bedroom is 2 words, not complicated. After fixing the leaking ceiling, exposed wiring, and painting it all brilliant white, only to find out that would not complement the skeleton of the room, all I wanted was a cozy space that's calming, down to earth and informal. We again maintain the light, soft grey walls which beautifully contrast the brilliant white door and closet. We left the closet untouched and only replaced the curtain box with the rods. I updated the doorknobs throughout the house and went for black knobs against the white doors. The bathroom is a true labor of love. After deciding to demolish the old bathtub that no longer served its purpose, it was only befitting to replace it with a modern open shower space with ample storage and elements of brass fixtures. The basin sits comfortably on the fork grey vanity which I designed and had a team assemble. The toilet is a little interesting, with its charcoal grey wall surrounding this cute Cocoa Boston dual top toilet by CTM. The marble effect on the tiles, as seen in the bathroom too, softened the entire drama. It was very important to respect the existing dwelling, not be wasteful with the choice of material and designs, and leave a few elements of the home untouched so its life and story could echo throughout the house, allowing for the old and the new to unfold seamlessly. Every space makes me super proud. I look forward to taking you through the styling journey, which is going to be a slow and sustainable one, accompanied with many lessons, lots of laughter, and life-changing experiences. So stay tuned. Until next time, xxxx.